Away they go. Euromax from the outside. Stand by your man. Inspiring. Also, they're rushing up Smart and Noble. Stand by your man. Euromax, Smart and Noble is racing third alongside Inspiring. Rushing up is entry number 4, rather number 8, Stormy Norman. Bullrock, Lisa's Magic is racing in the middle alongside rushing up in 8th position, Sweet and Gorgeous. The Goose Pride by the Rallies, Double the Charm through Amigo Queen. Entry number 11, Big Bone is running at the tail of the field. Rounding the far turn, stand by your man, Euromax from the outside, Stormy Norman. Down on the inside, Euromax now the leader, Stormy Norman, stand by your man, Inspiring, Sweet and Gorgeous, Lisa's Magic, Smart and Noble as they race the final corner. Euromax the leader, Inspiring is racing on the outside, in Stormy Norman Danori inside, Euromax by Lenken up, Inspiring is on the outside, Stormy Norman, Euromax Inspiring moves up, and finally Inspiring, Euromax, Stormy Norman, this is Magic, Smart and Noble, and for your Super Sais, I think number 9 is Stand By Your Man.